Today, you're going to learn what is song selection, and by the end of this video, I guarantee you will be able to make better choices when choosing song. Now, first off, what is song selection? Song selection in music production is just the process of choosing instruments, samples that fit a song's mood, genre, vision, ensuring they complement each other for a cohesive, professional sound, much like picking ingredients for a recipe. Simple as that. Let's get into it, guys. Alright, right now we have two different pianos, and I'm going to play them to show you the difference on how they sound. And I'm going to play the first one. Listen to it. Yeah, that one sound like it more low mids focus, and I'm going to play the second one, which is more high mids. Sounds like that. They both are good song in piano, but because of the type of emotional beat, I'm looking for, I'll choose a soft piano. And you must remember, everything else that you choose after that should fit sonically. You can also use a spectrum analyzer to see the frequency range of the instrument, which allows you to place other instruments in their rightful place. I'll use a span analyzer, but you can use any analyzer that you have, but don't forget to always use your ears. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go to my mixer and my span right here. And right now it's set to the master. So let's play the low mids first and let's see where it's focused. And if you look closely, you can see that the low mids piano is more focused on around the 200 to the 400 range. And let's play the high mids. If you could listen closely to the high mids, you could still see that there's some low mids in it, but it's more focused in the high mid range. And just use your ears. Besides using the analyzer, guys, make sure you're using your ears. So for this beat, I'll just go to low mids and yes. And now we're gonna layer it with our next song. And now basic layering, guys. Let's find a part so we can layer with the chord progression. So what I'll do, let me look for expand. Let's find, let me just find the pad. Let me just go to the basic square pad. Let's just, so we can do just Control and C, low mids, and Control V on the pad, and let's listen to it. Oh no, guys, if you look on here closely, guys, that just won't fit in that bit. And so let's just go through the next one. So what you can do is keep it playing and just go through the pads. Alright guys, it took me a while to find a pad, but I found one. And let's listen to it. And next thing you can do, if you find that the pad has too much low end, I can take off these bass notes like that and same as this one. Let's bring it up. Nice. Guys, the next thing you're going to do to make your melody song more realistic is Alt and R to randomize. And also Alt and X, so you can grab all the notes and drop down the velocity as a whole. Yeah, man, and right here, so it sounds much, much, much better. Let's go back to the analyzer just to look at the strings, the pad I mean, and see the range. Let us play the pad by itself and let's look at the analyzer. Guys, sorry the audio that's fluctuating. I don't know why, but for the past time, my audio have been dropping, so I haven't taken care of that. I don't know what's the reason why. But if you know how to fix that, drop a comment and let me know. So as you can see in Analyzer, the pad is also focused on the 3 to 500 range, but it also has some little brightness to it. And again, like I told you, all just forget about looking at the analyzer for a while and just try to listen to it. So let's just play the piano by itself. So you'll hear the difference in tone with the piano and the pad. Listen to the piano by itself. And the pad by itself. Now together they fit just perfectly. Nice, perfect. One more thing, let's go to the piano and Alt and S and see how I give it the space already. So you can just listen to it. Alright guys, we're gonna chop the end because it's going over. Control A guys to hold everything. Control A, let's grab everything and let's bring it in. Set to none, so I don't go too far. Sweet. Now let's compare. Let's see now if we are choose the high mids piano, if it will work with that pad that I have chosen. So guys, you see that's where song selection is important. And also when you're making a beat, always remember try to full up the spectrum from low to mids to the high range. Let's try to full up the spectrum with good songs. So as you could hear that my low mids is basically taking over the low mids and my pad is taking over the high mids. And now guys, let us work on the top melody. Yeah, we're gonna keep it quite simple. And because of this tutorial, I'm gonna just clone this piano right here. So we're gonna clone it and we're gonna do a top melody because I usually do it in the chord progression, but like I said, because of the video, let's just do it separately. And always remember to keep your top melody simple. Don't make it sound like it's a song. Let's keep it simple. Some almost like phrases. So let's see what we can find. Yeah, man, guys. Simple notes, guys. See that? Bam, 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 and that's how we get it done. Just make sure that you're not doing too much with the top melody, and like I said, like you leave in space, and make sure that the top melody is complementing the chord progression that you have done. So, guys, let's just listen to it together. So, guys, that's how I choose my songs when I make a beat, and you're gonna do the same. Always remember about all instruments have to fit sonically, guys, and whatever you choose first, make sure everything else complements it. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave this tutorial in the description so y'all can play with the melody and feel, and y'all can do whatever y'all feel like with it. So, guys, stay blessed, and I'm out. Mm.